the world. Hi, I'm Freddy. In today's video, I will show you how to make transparent background using if you don't have any green screen behind you, and we will going to use the zoom feature for this green screen to make the green screen for you. Okay, let's start. First, you make the green background. You can use your Microsoft Paint right there. Just make it green and then you save it. After saving the green background, go to your zoom. Okay. Open your zoom application and then click on option setting. Here's the setting. Click on background and filter. Okay, right there. Then choose the green background. Okay, after that you can start a meeting. Start the meeting on Zoom meeting right here. Start the Zoom meeting. In this case, only you on the meeting. Yeah, right. And go to the OBS. Go to your sources. Click on window capture. Click on Zoom meeting. Capture method to Windows 10. Click on OK. Adjust the position. I'm gonna do like this. And click on the window capture filter side so you can see the result. Chroma key. Okay. And add another crop. Add. Bottom, I want to remove this little thing right there. Set to 50. Okay. So set to 10. Okay. This is how we achieve the good clear background using the if you have no green screen, and use the feature from the Zoom to get the green screen result. Let me finish this video right here, and if you have any comments or questions or suggestions, I will be more than happy to answer them. Please subscribe my channel, and that's all. Bye. See you in the next video.